Atma Namaste. I would now discuss about forgiveness. Alright? So now what is forgiveness? In forgiveness, there are always two parties. Many times, 50% of the time, it is one you and the other party, right? Two people involved. And 50% of the time, it is one you and the other you as well. Both are the same. So, what is forgiveness? Now, for an example, I'm sitting here and some person, and that is me, and that is this person who has hurt me, is sitting in America or US, I mean US is the same, or out of India. Now we are not talking to each other. Katti ho gayi. So the person is not seen, out of the frame. When you do forgiveness, is this person going to come? I mean, is this person realizing that you have asked for forgiveness? Are you going to call the person and ask for forgiveness? Is that the real forgiveness? Okay, मान लीजिए you asked for forgiveness from this person. Is this person going to take it in the right way? There are so many ifs and buts. If he starts talking again negative or starts abusing you, will your forgiveness work? Will your forgiveness be a forgiveness, or you will also start abusing the person? कि तुमने ये किया था इसलिए मैंने ये किया था, कभी मैं तुम्हारा चेहरा नहीं देखूंगी, ना पता नहीं क्या क्या, and all bullshit again. So what do you think? That what is forgiveness? So let me tell you the most important thing. Forgiveness is only for your personal self. When you do forgiveness practice, when you do any type of forgiveness in your mind, in your soul, in your attitude, in whatever, that is going to clear your energies. It is exactly like eating something poisonous and then eating something, taking an antidote, as in removing the poison, right? The poison is not going to be affected. Why? Because poison is poison. It really does not matter. Poison हमारे body के अंदर हो या body के बाहर हो, वो अपना काम करने वाला है. The moment you take in the poison, if you do not do forgiveness, or if you just continuously keep on remembering the poison, the poison is going to grow and eventually eat you up. Cancer is the main reason for this poison. Then cancer is the main. फिर छोटे मोटे दूसरे knee pain, body pain, and all those pains come up eventually. But cancer is the real reason for not forgiving people. So basically, how does it matter to this person? It does not matter to the other person. Forgiveness just matters to yourself. The moment you start saying, I'm sorry, please forgive me, I have forgiven you, your energies are cleansed. So please do not forgive saying that मैंने forgive किया तो ego मेरा जाएगा. I'm not asking you to ask for forgiveness. Yes, if physically you realize that yes, it's your fault, go and ask for forgiveness, not because you want to be free, because you genuinely want to ask for forgiveness. Genuine hai, ask for forgiveness. But many times you realize that he's also right, you are also right. Don't take a lot of stress. Just ask for forgiveness in your own body, in your own mind, and please do not repeat the thoughts. Forgive kiya, forget karo. But the person, when he comes in front of you, if you If he's a cheater, or if he or she is a cheater, please remember that he or she was a cheater, and please do not trust on that person. Otherwise, it is fooling yourself and everybody else. Yeah. But if a person is genuine person, then just forgive, forget. Let things happen. So heart attack, yes, is again because of the poison. Cancer is because of the poison, the negative thought poison. The moment you say forgiveness or ask for forgiveness, it is not for anybody else, but it's for you, your personal body, your personal self, your personal growth, your personal success. If you keep on blaming yourself, that is not forgiving yourself. तो मान लेते हैं because of your own mistake, you have come to some bad situation. Let me tell you, जो होना होता है वो होता है. There are two options. Continuously crib, complain, feel guilty, torture, self-torture. You eventually die. This option is what you have to do. हो गया, गलती मेरी थी, हो गया. अब क्या कर सकते हैं? कुछ नहीं कर सकते. गलती हो गई. Forgive yourself, forget yourself. Now what? Progress. अगर लगता है कि मेरी वजह से किसी को बहुत ज्यादा दुख पहुंचा है, go ahead and please पैर पकड़ लीजिए, माफी मांग लीजिए. But do whatever it takes so that you don't torture yourself anymore. Please don't torture yourself, because गलती हो जाती है, हम इंसान हैं. Right? And forget it. Then go ahead. Now how can I do better in my life? For an example, if I fail in my exams, yeah, oh, everybody fails. So now what? If I torture myself, I will keep on failing. If I accept it, I said okay, कौन से सब्जेक्ट में फेल हुआ? हिंदी, गुजराती, मैथ्स. ओके, हिंदी, गुजराती, मैथ्स. So now every single day I study 1 hour for other subjects and 1 hour specially for Hindi, Gujarati, maths. Simple. Then you will have to have an attitude. I will not repeat such a failure thing. So whatever I learn my best. Whatever it is. So you start learning out of your mistakes if you are positive attitude person. If you are blaming person, if you are continuously torturing person, then forgiveness करने के नहीं करेंगे तो फिर it is going to go down and eventually you are going to drown your life yourself, unsuccessful life. The moment you have a different attitude in life and saying that okay, I've accepted it, whatever has happened, now I will have to forgive myself and go ahead. And when you go ahead, it's a very beautiful attitude. So please understand, forgiveness is not for others, it is for your personal self. किसी को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है आपने उनको forgive किया या नहीं किया. Take my word for it. आप सोच लीजिए, आपने मुझे कुछ बुरा बोला तो मैंने आपको forgive किया, मैं आपके बारे में क्या सोचती हूँ 2 दिन तक सोचेंगे आप और फिर भूल जाएंगे, because आपके पास भी एक लाइफ है. Right? And if I have not forgiven you, फिर आप बोल रहे हैं कि अरे मेरी लाइफ, आपकी लाइफ कभी खराब नहीं होगी किसी ने आपको forgive नहीं किया है तो. Right? You will have to forgive yourself to progress in your life. Okay? Atma Namaste. Atma